GM everyone, welcome to another market update. We do have interesting news for tomorrow, and that's CPI, the first CPI after the war. So you will see a lot of manipulation, FOMO, and speculations in the very short term tomorrow. I'll be trading it live. Make sure to follow me on Twitter. As far for geopolitics and macroeconomics is concerned, the maintenance of ceasefire is really very important for your risk assets because if the Strait of Hormuz is again closed, you will see lot of panic and again spike up from oil in the very near term, right? As far the agreement is between the two countries, you can expect oil to chop in between these two ranges 90 and $100. As far for BTC, on the very short term, make it really very simple for yourself. I have long orders at 70,000 and watching the price movement at this current zone 72,000. If it breaks above the 72,000 and shows some sign of strength, I'll cancel these limit orders and I'll be scalping long towards 74,000. But at the current moment, you can see it's rejecting. So patience is required at this specific zone because if it keep rejecting, it's gonna go and test these lows and fill them, right? So watching out its reaction, I'll be posting the trade if there is any opportunity inside my Twitter. As far the higher time frame view is concerned, that's really very clear, and that's the GLI fair value gap above the current price. We have the higher time frame liquidations, those are above the current price. We have the imbalances and the inefficiencies. These all, as well the on-chain analysis that we do each and every single day, makes me extreme bullish at this specific zone that we are going higher in the very mid term. So you should lower your expectations, avoid what you see in the short term. The long term bias is really very clear for us, right? As far for Ethereum, I do have the long trade opened with the SL below this wick low or the point of interest and expecting to fill these highs very soon. Make sure not to copy the trade if you don't have enough knowledge of the market and risk management. Gold, I am inside this specific gold trade, long expecting 5,000 really very soon, taking support from this specific imbalance. So possibly it's continuing higher towards those highs. As far the funding rates are concerned, you can see we have complete negative regime of fundings. Avoid these positive fundings in the short term, but you can see we have regime of negative fundings, which indicates that we are very, very close for the bottoms and higher continuation is very, very soon. As far BTC long short liquidation dominance is concerned, it's coming down nicely, but want to see it go below this threshold inside the shorts liquidations dominance regime. This will result in spot buying as well. Liquidation of shorts will send your crypto and Bitcoin way much higher, right? As far the derivatives is concerned, it's inside the leveraged rally. Wanted to go back inside the spot rally because currently OI and price both are rising. Funding's positive. It's inside the leveraged rally. If it comes back inside spot rally, that will be extra confirmation for our current midterm bias, and that's above current prices, right? Sell side risk ratio is going down nicely. It's still at its lowest levels. That indicates we are in the bottom zones. Premium to shorts again negative, positive sign for Bitcoin again. As far for the liquidation clusters is concerned, we do have some short-term clusters of liquidation still 70,500. So don't panic, sell. Do not panic if you see some sharp fix below the current price to liquidate those retail traders, that new money that build up. So expecting higher prices in the medium term and watching its reaction, I'll be possibly looking for a trade in the next few hours if it maintains its position above this specific resistance. So make sure to follow me on Twitter. Make sure to manage your trades with proper risk management and use proper SLs and TPs for your trades. Thanks for watching.